Welcome back again to Biz Track Hub. I am Abiodun, a verified record keeper helping small businesses transition from paper-based operations to digital systems, enabling them to save time and reduce costs. Last lesson, we talked about simplified record keeping for small businesses, and I promised to show you how to create Google account to get started so that we can keep our record digitally. Now, what is cloud storage? Simple definition for anyone can easily understand. Cloud storage means keeping your data on the internet instead of only on your computer or any other devices so that you can access it anytime and from anywhere. I hope you understand that. What are the features of cloud storage? We have safety here. It protects your files from loss. It's very safe. The internet is safe, relatively safe. It protects your files from loss due to damage, theft, or system crash. Even if you feel that you have saved on your system or any other local devices, anything happen to the system, your phone, it can crash. So, what will you bank on? So far it is saved in the internet, you can access it. It's just like, let me use this example. Those of you that save your contact on Google Drive from your phone, even if your phone crashes, you don't need to be looking for how to start getting Mrs. A's account, how to get Bola's account, how to get Kelechi's account, a phone number. Everything is on Google Drive. All you need to do is once your phone is restored, then you sign into your Gmail account, right? And then all your gadgets will come. So, scalability. Storage space can be increased or decreased based on what you need. Collaboration. Multiple users can share and work on the same file same time. You don't need to attach the mail, then download, the other person downloads, work on it, send. No, you can share. All you need to do is give a link to the person you are collaborating with so that you can share um, uh, the document and work on it the same time. It is cost efficient. You don't need to buy extra hardware like hard drive. You pay for what you use. Also, automatic synchronization. If you update your Google Drive on your phone, it will definitely reflect across all other linked devices. Security. Your data is protected with encryptions and password by the service provider. What are the major cloud tools? We have Google Drive, owned and managed by Google. Free storage is up to 15 gig. That's quite much. You can do a lot with 15 gig and shared across all the workspace, Workspace, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and so on. Your Dropbox is another cloud storage provider owned by Dropbox company. Is an American company. It can give you free storage of 2 gig. If you refer people, they will give you extra, or you subscribe, you pay for subscription. Microsoft OneDrive can also give you up to free 5 gig. Then Apple iCloud is designed for Apple devices. It offers 5 free 5 gig free storage. All right. As you can see from what we have just discussed, Google Drive has more to offer free users. You don't need to look for who to refer and convince someone to join, to subscribe to Dropbox before you get extra free storage. With 15 gig, you can do a lot. All right. So accessing Google Drive. Now it's time to sign up. But if you have signed up, you have a Google account already. When I asked, do you have a Google account already? Simply means you have a Gmail account. Most of us already have Gmail account. So let's go. This is my Gmail account. Let me go back. If you have a Gmail account, go to www.gmail.com or www.google.com. You will see Gmail, then enter your details. We already have Gmail account. So when we get, once you open this page, that's www.gmail.com, you will see this this button here. See this nine dot, yes. Go to the upper right corner of your page, and then when you click on drive, this is what you get. Once you click on drive, this is what you see. I have saved a lot on this on my Google Drive, this account. I have saved documents of size 10.43 gig. So I have used 10.43 gig out of the 15 gig that I have access to. And I've been using it over a year now. So you can really do a lot. But there's some documents I don't need here. That's still free more space. So you can do a lot being a free subscriber. Don't need to upgrade yet. All right. All right. Thank you for always staying tuned. Next week, we'll start saving our data, our record, our shop address, all our inventory, everything that we have in our shop, everything, all our sweet and biscuits. We start saving them, and all our record transaction, financial, how we are spending our money, how inflow, outflow. We start saving, start creating documents and start putting inside the drive. Thank you so much. If you would like me to show you how to set up a simple digital record keeping system for your small business, please reach out to me on this phone number. I help small businesses to move from paper-based operations to digital success. So kindly hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Thank you.